Welcome to our channel. If you need vision care but can't afford it, follow these step-by-step instructions to access free or low-cost eye care services. Step 1. Contact Lions Clubs International for their vision assistance programs. This organization provides free eye exams and glasses to people in need through local chapters across the country. Step 2. Visit New Eyes for the Needy website to apply for vouchers. This nonprofit provides vouchers to purchase new prescription eyeglasses at participating optical retailers. Step 3. Check if you qualify for VSP Eyes of Hope or One Sight programs. These organizations offer free vision care to uninsured individuals and low-income families at community events. Step 4. Visit local federally qualified health centers. Many community health centers provide comprehensive eye exams and glasses on a sliding fee scale based on income. Step 5. Search for free vision screening events in your community. Organizations frequently sponsor community health fairs offering complimentary eye exams and basic vision testing. Step 6. Contact optical schools and training programs. Universities with optometry schools often run low-cost clinics where students provide supervised eye care at reduced prices. Step 7. Look into Medicaid vision benefits if you qualify. While adult vision coverage varies by state, most Medicaid programs cover comprehensive eye care for children. Step 8. Ask retail optical chains about discount programs. Stores like Walmart, Costco, and online retailers offer affordable eye exams and budget-friendly eyeglass options without insurance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.